Is your money safe with Questrade? Let's dive in. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a question that pops up a lot for anyone considering online investing in Canada. Is Questrade trustworthy? Now, you might be a complete investing newbie, or perhaps you've dabbled in some robo-advisors and are curious about taking more control. Either way, handing over your hard-earned cash to an online platform can feel like a leap of faith. So, let's get under the hood of Questrade and see if it measures up. First things first, Questrade isn't some fly-by-night operation. Founded in 1999, they've been around for over 2 decades, which is a good sign in this industry. But longevity alone doesn't guarantee trustworthiness. Here's where things get interesting. In Canada, unlike the US, there's a single self-regulatory organization overseeing investment dealers, the Canadian Investor Protection Fund, CIPF. This acts as a safety net, covering a portion of your investment losses if Questrade goes belly up. It's not a foolproof guarantee, but it offers a layer of security. But Questrade goes a step further. They've purchased additional insurance that tops up SIP's coverage limits. This means even in a worst-case scenario, there's a good chance you'll get a significant chunk of your money back. That's a confidence booster. Alright, so Questrade seems to have the safety measures in place. But what about their day-to-day operations? Are they secure? Here, Questrade gets high marks. They use industry-standard encryption to protect your personal information and online transactions. They also offer two-factor authentication, which adds an extra layer of security when logging into your account. However, it's important to remember that security is a two-way street. You also have a responsibility to protect yourself. Don't reuse passwords, be cautious of suspicious emails, and enable all the security features Questrade offers. Now, let's move beyond the safety aspect and talk about Questrade's reputation. Here, online reviews paint a generally positive picture. Customers praise their user-friendly platforms, low fees, and excellent customer service. Of course, there will always be some negative experiences, but overall, Questrade seems to be a well-regarded brokerage. But here's the thing, reputation isn't static. Just because Questrade is generally trusted today doesn't mean they can't stumble tomorrow. So, it's important to do your own research before investing any money. Here are some things to consider. Fees. Questrade's a discount broker, which means lower fees compared to traditional brokerages. However, fees can add up, so make sure you understand their commission structure and any inactivity charges. Investment options. Do they offer the investment options you're interested in? Stocks, ETFs, options. Make sure Questrade has what you need. Trading platforms. Their platforms are user-friendly, but do they have the analytical tools you need to make informed decisions? Remember, investing comes with inherent risks. No matter how trustworthy a brokerage seems, your investments can still go down in value. So, the bottom line, is Questrade trustworthy? Based on regulations, security measures, and reputation, they appear to be a legitimate and safe platform for Canadian investors. But, as always, do your due diligence before investing any money. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.